Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add search bar in WordPress website. Let's get started. So I have in here this blog post page that I have. Now let's head over and add in here a search bar. Click on this plus icon and search in here for the word search. Now you can see this search as well as this product search. So let's head over and use this search right here, and then let's add it just below the blog post. Now, as you can see, we have now added this search bar. Now we can also put in here an optional placeholder, like for example, search posts. And you can also put in here the word search if you want. For example, you can also make this find instead of search. And then once you have done that, click on this update option in order to update all of the things that you have just created. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.